Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to another day of STEM and leaf plots. Today we're actually going to create a STEM and leaf plot, organize data, and answer some questions using our STEM and leaf plot. So, let's get started. All right, at the top, we have the following daily high temperatures that were recorded by the students in, let's say, Miss Ivory's or Miss Gorgoni's science class during the month of September. So here are the recorded temperatures, and you can see that they're not in any order, just in the order that they occurred. So we have 60s, 59, we have 90s, and 80s. So the first thing we need to do is what? We need to write the temperatures in numerical order from the least to the greatest. So what I'm thinking is I am going to use my yellow highlighter, and I'm going to highlight, let's start with the green highlighter. I'm going to use green for the leaf, So I'm going to highlight my leaves very quickly. And my leaf is always going to be the smallest place value of the number, whether it's a decimal, a fraction, or a whole number. And in this case, we only have 2 digits, so it's the ones place. And so I'm going to highlight my stems in yellow so that they stand out. And I'll do that more than once, just to show you guys. All right, so our lowest temperature is in the 50s. So let's take a pen and let's find 59 degrees. And we're going to look to see very quickly, that is my only temperature. And we're going to record it here and cross it out as you go. The next thing that comes after 59 is 60. So there's 60, and we're going to look very quickly to see if we have another 60, which we don't. Okay, then we have 65. I'm going to look for something that's less than 65. I don't see one, so we're going to stick with 65. And we're going to continue to see if we have another temperature that's 65 degrees, and we have one more. And then we're going to look for maybe 66, 67, 68. There's a 67. Is there a 66 anywhere? I don't think so. So we're going to put 67. And I believe that was the only one. And let's look for 68. I don't see 68, but I do see 69 degrees. I see another 69 degrees. And I think that's it for the 60s. Now let's move on to the 70s. We have 72. Do we have anything? Oh, there's a 71. Anything less than 71? No. So we're going to record 71 next. And another 71. And look, there's one more. Do you see anything else that says 71? No. All right, and then we have 72. Do we have another 72 anywhere? I don't believe so. We're going to go with 73. There's 73. There's a 73. And I don't think we have any more 74s. I don't see 74. Do we have a 75 degrees? Do you see 75, boys and girls? I do right here. And we have 76. And we have 76 again. We have 76 again. And I think that's it for 76. Here is 79. Here is a 79. Anything else in the 70s? Nope. And we have 2 temperatures that were 79. And we're going to continue on and fill out the rest of this chart. Now we're in the 80s. Do we have 80 or 81? I don't see it, but I see 81 right there. And then we have 82 once, twice. So we have 82 twice. We have 83 once. Oh, there's another 82. So let's do that. 83. And then we don't have 84. Well, is that 82? Oh, we got another 82 and then 83. Okay, now we have 87, 88, we have 89, 91, and 94. So that didn't take but a couple minutes. So now we're going to go and put them in our dot plot or stem and leaf plot. So we are going to make our stems yellow and our leaves in green. So I'm going to start with just my stems. Okay, we're just going to do our stems. And we have 1, 5. We have 5 as a stem. We have 6 as a stem. We have 7 as a stem. We have 8 as a stem. And we have 9. Now we're going to record our leaves. And we're going to record them just in order, just like this. So we have a 9 leaf. And then we're going to go to the 6 stem. And we're going to record a 0, 5, 5, 7, 9, 9. Then we're going to go to our 7th stem and record our leaves. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 5, 6, 6, and 6, 9, and 9. Now we're going to go to our 8th stem and record our leaves. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. And now our last stem is the 9, so we'll record our leaves. 1 and 4. So just looking at our stem and leaf plot, we can see which which temperature happened more frequently, which one happened less frequently, etc. Okay, so that's a good way to organize data. So let's answer some questions. Which temperature appears the most often? Okay, so we can look and we can see that this is 59, 60, 65, 65. Okay, that happened twice. 69 degrees happened twice. 71 degrees happened 3 times. 76 degrees happened 3 times. 82 occurred how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So I think we found our answer. 82 degrees appears most frequently. What is the difference? Remember what difference means? Difference means to do what? To subtract. We're comparing, so we're going to find the difference between the highest recorded temperature and the lowest recorded temperature. So we're going to go with our stem, that's the least stem, and look at the leaf. So our least temperature was 59 degrees. And our highest temperature, we're going to go to the stem that is the greatest and look at the leaf that is the greatest. And we put those together, that's 94. So our highest temperature was 94. And we are going to subtract those 2 temperatures. So I happen to have another piece of paper. And we are going to stack those numbers by place value. Of course, we cannot take 9 away from 4 because this number is greater, so we need to go next door and regroup. We're going to change that to 8 tens, and we're going to add 10 ones to the 4 ones, and that's 14. Minus 9 is 5, and 8 minus 5 tens is 3 tens. So our difference is 35 degrees. And our last question today is how many temperatures were above 80 degrees in September? So I want you to pause your video, or maybe not even pause your video. Maybe I'm going to pause, and I'm going to let you count how many temperatures are in the 80 degrees. Okay, did you go and first of all, did you look for the stem that had an 8 in it? Okay, Because that's 8 tenths. So everything else is in the 80s, isn't it? So we can count our leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there were how many temperatures in the 80s? 9. So we would put 9 right there. Okay? That's it for today, boys and girls. Now, go do your ticket out the door. You'll have 2 questions to answer. Good luck, and take your time. And remember your place value. Your stems are your greater place values. Your leaves are always going to be your smallest or least leaf place value position. Thank you, and we'll see you this week. Look forward to hearing Miss Gorgoni teaching as well.